Why did the mouse take up residence in the RV? Because it heard there was free room and board. Hi folks, welcome to a little chat about how to keep your RV free from those pesky critters that seem to love the RV life just as much as we do. So, you finally found the perfect spot to store your RV. The last thing you want is to return and find it's become the hot spot for the local rodent and insect population. But fear not, we have some tips to help you keep these pests at bay. First on the list is mothballs. Mothballs have a distinct scent that pests find less appealing than a 3-day-old sandwich. Scatter a few around your RV storage area, and it's like putting up a no vacancy sign for pests. Next up, Irish spring soap. Yes, you heard right. It turns out bugs and rodents aren't fans of smelling fresh and clean. Who knew? Cut up some bars and place them in different areas of your RV. The pests will think twice before they decide to set up shop. Fabric softener sheets are another great deterrent. They smell sweet to us, but to pests, it's like walking into a cloud of tear gas. Place them in drawers, under seats, and in any nooks and crannies where pests might like to hide. Peppermint Altoids, the curiously strong mints, aren't just for fresh breath, they also make a great pest deterrent. Who would have thought that a breath mint could be such a mighty warrior in the battle against pests? Place some around your RV and watch the pests beat a hasty retreat. Cotton balls soaked in essential oils like tea tree, cedar, or lavender also work wonders. Pests hate these smells more than a skunk at a garden party. Strategically place these scented cotton balls throughout your RV for a pest-free environment. I've heard of some wild pest deterrents, but rags soaked in coyote or fox urine? That's a new one. While some swear by this method, other folks may not like it. Unless, of course, they enjoy the smell of coyote or fox urine. In that case, they can knock themselves out. A word of caution, though. Don't use all these deterrents at once. Your RV might end up smelling like a bizarre mix of a perfume shop, a candy store, and a forest. Balance is key here. So, there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide to turning your RV into a fortress against pests. Remember, an RV is a home away from home, not a free motel for mice and bugs. Thanks for riding along with Everything About RVing. Make sure to subscribe to the Everything About RVing YouTube channel. By clicking the logo, you will be able to view more awesome content on all things RVing. Did you like this video? Give it a thumbs up and share it. Looking for more tips, tricks, and RV tales? Click on the video suggestions on the screen. Safe travels and see you on the open road.